What's up, snackers? Today, let's unlock the ultimate power of Law 11. Make others dependent on you. Here's the core idea. To preserve your independence, ensure that others can't function without you. Why is this so important? Well, the more people rely on you, the more freedom you gain. When others depend on you, they're less likely to question your decisions, giving you more autonomy and control. Now let's break it down. Be indispensable. Position yourself as the go-to problem solver. Make people rely on your expertise. Stay unique. Develop skills or knowledge that make you stand out. Become someone whose value is irreplaceable. Create interdependence. Build mutually beneficial relationships. Make allies who depend on you. Strategic information. Use valuable information wisely. Hold the key knowledge that others rely on. To put this into action, identify your strengths, whether it's a skill, knowledge, or simple acts of kindness. Be approachable and supportive. People depend on those they trust. Keep learning and growing. Continuous improvement ensures you remain relevant and indispensable. Ready to master the art of influence? Follow us for more practical strategies and tips.